Finally got the apartment approved, got the keys and everything. So yeah, I'm about to head there and do a little bit of tidying up because we move in literally 8 days. We made it to the new place. I gave you guys a little mini tour. That's all you get in, so suffice. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so blessed. I cannot thank God enough for all he's done for me. Like, honestly, guys, there's some stressors, there's some shit that's been happening behind the closed doors, and you know, God got me. That's all I gotta say. God really got me. But only me. The friggin' car had a flat tire, and now I'm having roadside assistance change the tire for me. He was gracious enough to let me sit in his truck. But yeah, I'm just waiting for him to change the tire. That's way more than me, baby. I am 189. They took me to jail, I should've smacked the rest her. About the car flexing like Sylvester. No sir, no sir. Bitches pulled up in an I-8 roadster. Sure, come too much, told that bitch no sir. Ain't no fucking crying on my fucking shoulder. $100 steak and I don't like the texture. You can die today, just scratch out yes sir. Diamonds in my ring. Hey guys, so solar date is looking just a little bit different. The museum is too far, and you see what time I'm going on the road? 5:31. Just imagine the traffic, and remember I'm in Houston. Absolutely not. I don't want any parts. So I'm kind of hungry, so I am going to try this place I saw on not TikTok. Was it TikTok? Yes, on TikTok. That's close by. It's a dumpling place. We are gonna go eat later, so I'm not getting anything heavy. So I'm just gonna try their chicken wings and their shrimp and pork pan-fried dumplings. So yeah. Have like a Korean skincare store, and there's this brand that I really want to try called Medicube. I hope they have it in there, and they have like a bunch of different items. So I'm just gonna browse and see what they have and see if anything, like, you know, piques my interest.
You got the body, girl. See the bike, girl. Cock up your body, girl. Ben spoon on the menu, say you got it, girl. You want the big bike, pump up the body, girl.
It's such a nice day out.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't know, ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody notice it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right.
Guys, we found something. Found the Medicube jelly mask. So I'm gonna get 4 of them because I don't live in Houston. So just in case it's tea, I'm gonna have more. Yes, please. Second. Here you go. You have a good one. You as well. Package secure, guys. We got what we wanted. Guys, we got the goods. I'm gonna taste it and make sure it tastes good before I drive off. We got the dumplings. This is what, shrimp. I think this is shrimp and pork. I'm gonna try these when I go home because I want to warm them up a little, or put them in the air fryer so they're crispy again. Regular chicken wings, nothing special. These I forgot air fry too, but I still want to try. It's so good. Put Zuri in the cage. Turn the light on. I'm getting rushed.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up. But I just don't wanna leave you. Might just know it a reason why we
It's over. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted with all this music playing outside, but this is what I wear. Cute. It's cute, right? Yeah. But yeah, bye. Good morning, guys. I don't know if anyone can tell, I just wake up. Happy Sunday. I am on my way, about to drive out and leave for church. I am running late. I'm gonna be like 10 minutes late. My phone died while I was sleeping, so I didn't hear my alarm. But yeah, I am gonna plug my phone in because she's still dead. And I think I'm gonna put on some lip liner. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna add my lip balm. Guys, this lip balm is so bomb. So this is the brand. In my opinion, it don't smell the best, but it really works, like with the moisture and stuff. Let me start yapping and leave this place. But yeah, I don't have much planned for today. I'm gonna go to church. I may or may not go to Trader Joe's after to get a few items. Kind of want to go to the pool today too. I don't know. I guess we'll just see where the day takes us. But yes, I am gonna listen to some gospel music and get my mind right, ready for church. So I'll talk to you guys when I leave church.